Today we're talking about Lovable.dev, a simple breakdown of what it is, what it does, who uses it, and the pricing. As always, nothing complicated, just a straight, beginner-friendly explanation. What Lovable.dev actually is. So Lovable.dev is an AI-powered tool that helps you build full web applications really fast. Think of it like you describe what app you want. The AI generates the full code, and you can edit everything inside the editor. It's mainly useful for developers, startup founders, freelancers, or anyone who wants to build an MVP quickly. The big idea is, you don't start from zero. The AI builds the full project for you. How it works. Here's the simple flow. You write one prompt like, make me a to-do app. The AI generates the entire code base. You can edit files, update UI, add features. It regenerates updated code instantly. You deploy directly. It feels like having a junior developer sitting next to you, writing everything instantly. You don't need to be a coding expert, but knowing a little helps. Even for experienced devs, it speeds up boring tasks. Use cases. Here are the most common uses. Building MVPs, like landing pages, dashboards, tools. Fixing bugs, you can highlight code and ask AI to fix. Editing designs quickly. Turning ideas into working prototypes. Learning coding, good for beginners who want to understand how apps work. Why people like it? Simple reasons. Very fast development. Clean UI and simple editor. Generates real, editable code. Good for solo founders. Saves money on hiring at early stage. And importantly, the code is yours. You can export and use it anywhere. Pricing. Lovable.dev has different plans. A free tier where you can try basic features. Paid plans if you want more usage, more generations, and more advanced tools. Pricing is monthly and updated often on their official site. It's pretty fair, especially for people building apps regularly. Who should use? Indie developers. Entrepreneurs launching ideas. Students learning web dev. Agencies that need prototypes fast. Anyone who doesn't want to spend days writing boilerplate code. It removes 60–70% of the boring part and lets you focus on creativity. Now, before we end the video, here's something helpful from our website. On our website, we have a rewards section where users can sign up using email OTP and complete simple surveys through our trusted partners. For every survey you complete, you also get a mystery box as a bonus. So it's an easy way to earn coins and redeem them for PayPal gift cards. This helps people who want to try premium AI tools like Lovable.dev, but don't want to spend money up front. If you want to explore more tools or check our rewards section, you can find everything on our website. Link is in the description. See you in the next video.